Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you some of the bargain Parkside hand tools that I've recently picked up at Lidl supermarket. Here's a box of Parkside chipboard screws. There were various different sizes. I went with I think the smallest size, which is 30mm long by about 4mm in thickness. These are chipboard screws for wood, PZ2, and I've got 600 pieces. The bigger the screws, the less quantity that you get. And they appear to be a type of self-tapping screw as well, which is nice, so you may not have to drill pilot holes with these. Here is a Parkside lighter, plastic body. It's got adjustment here, plus and minus for the height of the flame. Lid is on like a sprung hinge. And this isn't a standard lighter, this is a storm lighter. So it shouldn't blow out in strong winds. Good for camping, outdoor stuff. Even has the option to refill it at the bottom here. I also bought a set of Parkside gel knee pads. The knee pads I'm currently using, they keep annoying me and like moving around when I'm using them. So I thought I'll buy these. These might be better, but we'll see. It says on the label, protection and comfort when kneeling on hard surfaces. Total length 51.5 centimeters and it's size large. I saw a size small as well. So there's two sizes I believe of these, which is useful. They've got that 3-year warranty as well. So quite a simple design. They've got like a hard plastic on the front here, Parkside logo at the top, and at the back you've got like a Velcro strap. And they've got some nice gel padding in here as well. I also bought these Parkside drill bits. It says on the box Parkside Performance. So I bought the drill bits for wood, the ones for masonry and steel. This is a 7-piece set made for wood, softwood, hardwood, so any type of wood, and they range from 2mm up to 8mm. So a nice little general set to put in your toolbox. And the case has a little clasp on it. This part of the case lifts up so you can select the bit you want. Closes up nicely. Here's a close-up of one of the drill bits. They look quite nicely made. These have an hexagonal end on the shaft, so I'm guessing you could maybe use these in an impact driver. Here is the set designed for steel, 8 pieces again from 2mm, this time up to 10mm in diameter. Hexagonal shank, says it on the box. As I say, usually drill bits come with just a round shank, but the ends of these drill bits are hexagonal. Here are the bits, and again they look quite nicely made. Here's a nice close-up look at the steel bit. And there's that hexagonal shaft. These have like lubrication on them, I suppose, to stop them rusting while they're in storage. And finally, here is the masonry set from 4mm up to 12mm diameter for concrete and stone, 7-piece, oh, and brick as well, 7-piece set. Again with the hexagonal shanks on them. And what I like about these is that they're red. I'm guessing that's just colour coding so that they're easy to spot in the in the toolbox, or is that better for going through brick? I don't know, but very easy to spot when you want to grab a masonry bit. Again, here's that hexagonal shaft on the end, and here's a close-up of the end of the bit. I like the design of these cases. They've got the little clasp to open them. They stand up on their own, as you can see, so you can select a bit. And they've also got a little compartment here, and I'm guessing that's for any spare little bits that you want to throw in there. Phillips heads for your drill, that sort of thing, I don't know, just for storage maybe, which is handy. And the cases are also interlocking, so you can stack them quite neatly on top of each other, as you can see. And they also have little rubber feet on the bottom. So next up we've got this Parkside ratcheting screwdriver set. Comes in a nice case, and there's a lot in here, plenty of bits. Here's the ratcheting screwdriver, so it seats into the lid. It's held in place. And this kit comes with an attachment which is flexible, so you can get into awkward spots when you're screwing. If you're assembling some kitchen cabinets, that sort of thing, and you need to get into awkward places, you've got this attachment which feels quite nicely made actually. So the attachment can go on here. You could put this on a drill as well, and then you can, as you can see, you could get into an awkward area and tighten up a screw. Very useful for DIY stuff. And then it comes with all the bits that you'd expect, and these lift up so you can access them easily. These also lift up, I think. They're just stiff because it's new. Yeah, these lift up also, and there's a bit attachment here. You've got all the Phillips, all the posi drives, slotted, square and hexagonal, and they're all colour coded as well, so you get that nice fancy little case with all the bits, all compact. All the screwdrivering that you might need is here. Oh, it's even got the star bits as well. All in a nice compact case, very cheap in my opinion as well. So here's the ratcheting screwdriver, it's a good length. Let's listen to it. Makes a nice sound. So on here you can put it in neutral mode, so that it's just like a standard screwdriver, so you can screw it either way and there's no ratcheting, or you can have it ratcheting, undoing a screw, or doing the screw up. It's got a rubberized handle, it's quite a good size as well. So it's generous, it's not small, it's quite big. Chrome vanadium protection on this shaft as well, and at the end you can pull out the bottom and you can store bits in here. Also very useful. Here we've got the Parkside hand riveter set. I've been wanting one of these Parkside rivet guns for a while now. Comes with the 3-year warranty again. It says with non-slip handle and handle lock for material thicknesses up to 4mm. 110 piece set. Accessories, you get 4 times HSS drill bits, so great. So you've got the drill bits to drill the holes with as well. 100 times blind rivets and 1 assembly spanner. Comes in a handy case, custom fit case for this tool. So you've got all your rivets in the case as well, and your drill bits. Nicely thought out. All the common sizes that you might need here. Really tiny ones up to the nice chunky ones. Pretty standard gun, rubberized handles. It's got this hoop here that keeps it closed, and it's like spring loaded, so it opens up. It's got the little spanner here, kept on the inside of the handle. That's quite tight because it's new, but there's the little spanner, so you can adjust these here. Good for safekeeping. Not much to say about the gun itself. It's pretty standard. It's got a nice coating on it. Not sure what type of paint this is, but it's nice and textured to protect it from rusting. The handles feel quite comfortable, and I like how the case keeps everything together. It fits perfectly in there, and you've even got the drill bits too. Here are the 4 complementary drill bits that you get. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So there you have it, some more Parkside bargain hand tools. If you're out at Lidl, why not pick some up? If you see them, if you did like this video, please like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.